Okay, so last class we discussed what is S3 and so what is S3 properties and how to create bucket and so how to upload any file and how to download that file and all. Last class we discussed, right? So anyone any doubt yesterday class? What is S3 and so what is some basic S3 rules and how to create buckets and so how to upload any file and how to download and how to delete that and all. Already last class we discussed that. Okay, so today we'll see that continuation and all. I hope you got it right. So why you go for S3? Clear? Hello, anyone any doubt?
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay, now today we'll see that how to. So today we'll see Richard Thomas. So today we'll see that continuation and all how it will work. Now, so if you want to create any bucket, so the bucket name should be in queue. The bucket name should be in queue. So once a bucket is created, without bucket, can you upload files directly without creating bucket? So can you upload files directly?
No.
No, right? So if you want to create, first we need to create one bucket. So first we need to create. This is the service. So first, this is the service. If you go AWS, this is the service. First, we need to create the. First, we need this is the S3 service. This is the S3. Under S3, first we need to create a bucket. So right. So yesterday we created one bucket name. What is the bucket name? So if you go here, if you go here, if you go here, so where I am in Mumbai only, right? So where I am in Mumbai. Okay, so admin. Okay, first we need to create the bucket name. Click on buckets and create bucket and give the bucket name. This is the region and this is the bucket name. We can give so anyone. So we can give, but if already this is already it is available, it won't create. Already it is available, so it won't create. If it is not available, it will create. So this and all default, I am not selecting anything and so versioning also I am not selecting anything, just create the bucket. Now see here, it is saying bucket name already existing and I am giving this is also DevOps DevOps okay, I am giving so 255 okay, DevOps class. Oh, already it is existing. Okay, now it is not available, just create the bucket. So now bucket is created and so once bucket is created, now click on this bucket name and here we can upload and we can download your files. Right now I don't have anything. Right now I don't have anything. And if you want to upload anything or if you want to download anything and so now we can, if you want to, we can move on file, we can see. Okay. So welcome to S3, S3, S3 class. Just I'm giving some name. Just I'm save Control S. I'm saving desktop. I'm saving desktop and so dev class. Just I will giving dev.txt. We can give any name. Okay. Now this is my file name. If you want to upload, click on the upload button and so add file and desktop. Go to desktop and dev class. This is the class name. Now see here, I uploaded and click on upload. Now file is uploaded. So now file is uploaded. Now how to access this file? So if you want to access, how to access? Now file is, this is the bucket. Now I created one bucket and so in this bucket and this is my file name. So this is the file name and if you go here, so this is the object name. See here, so this is the object name. So this is the object name. Object name means object URL. See, this is the URL. If you want to access, so this is the URL. So this is the URL. Now we can see here who is the owner and what is the S3 bucket. This is your bucket name. This is your so file name and which region you created, when you uploaded, what is the size of this file, and so what is the resource name, Amazon resource name ARN, and this is your path and all and tag and all. Now if you want to access, this is the URL. This is the URL. This is the URL. This is the URL. Copy this URL and go to browser and just paste it. Now see here, I am getting error message. So access denied. So do we have any access? Did I give any permission to this particular file? No, right?
No.
No. So we are unable to access. This is the security. So directly we cannot access your file. And if you want to access your data file, anything, if you want, we need to give some, right? So access level. Now how to give? Now go to your, go to your, go to your bucket, go to your bucket. So now where is file? This is the file. Select the file or click on file, and if you go here, if we go here somewhere, where is that? Permissions. First go to bucket level. We need to enable something. Go to edit. No edit. Click on here. Click on here and go to permissions. This is a property permissions. So bucket public. See here black public access. So already black, right? Just unselect it. Now see here black public access. Now so public directly we cannot access. Right? ACL in AWS we are no security group. How we are allowing port numbers and all. Now got it. This is same only in so AWS. Right? Security group. So with the help of security groups we can allow particular port numbers, right? Got it? Which port number you want to allow, which port number you don't allow. So that and all we are setting, right? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
22. Same way in bucket level. So if you want to give access, first you need to enable this one. See edit black. Now all are black, all public access. Unselect it. Unselect it. Just save it. Now it is asking confirmation. Just confirm. Or else while creating so bucket also we can enable. Now I will create one more thing. Okay, now try to access whether we are able to access that file or not. So now this one and click on the file, and so click on the file. Now there is one more option we need to enable. Where is that? Object. So edit metadata, edit name, permissions. Now edit, this is not edit. First try it whether we can able to access or not. I will do one more thing. Now copy this URL. This is your object URL. Go to browser and see it. Now still one more step is missing. Where is that step? I need to enable versioning. This is not read. See here right now. So owner object is only read, and I given read access and all. And here
There only access control list is there, no?
but this
I
is
think.
disabled, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first let me create one bucket. Maybe after creation bucket I given, right? Maybe that is problem. Now click on here, create new bucket. Bucket name is DevOps. So DevOps I am giving so bucket name DevOps files just I am giving. And so now go to here enable. Here also you can enable. See here ACL. What is the ACL full form? Access
Access
control
control.
list. Access control list in a, that is a what interview also most of the people they are asking what is difference between SC and NACL. 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 This is mostly they are asking. S3 means, sorry, SG means security group means only
Security
only instance level. If you
particular
want to
port
provide
something.
security, NACL means subnet level, instance and subnet. This is some basic difference. Main difference is, so SG is mostly we are using instance level, correct? Now NACL subnet level. Which, so this is mostly giving priority is subnet level. So that and all. Same here NAC means same concept only, but here also we are providing now enable that ACL. So once enable, now see here. So we recommended disable ACL unless so you need to control access to each object. Okay. Now unselect it. Now that's it. I am not going to enable. We'll see later this and all. Now click on create bug. Okay. So what is this? You need to select this one. After enable, just click on the bucket. Okay. Already most of the same names already multiple people given. So that is reason. DevOps files one. Okay. So now here I enable while creating bucket itself. I enable that option. Now try to upload here. Click on bucket. So DevOps files one and upload file and add file. Add file. What is the file name? DevOps class. Okay. Dev class. Select this one. And while selecting, so here we are cutting that permissions. Now see here there is an option. Actually after uploading also we can see, but somewhere we missed. Okay. So now see here I uploaded file. After uploaded, this is my path, and there is one option permissions. Click on permissions. So under we can see here this is the access control list ACL. Choose from the predefined ACL or specify the individual ACL permissions and prepared ACL. What you want to private or you want to public? If you want to access files, what you need to do? Public or private? Private means only we need to give some access level and all. Now I'm going to make it as grand public access. See, anyone in the world will able to access your file. Now this is the option we need to enable. We need to enable this one. Select this one, and it is asking. So see, uh, select this one. Just upload the file. That's it. Upload the file. Now see here. So this is the file name and that plain text and all. If you miss, we cannot access. Now click on this file. Click on this file. Copy this object URL and go to here. Object URL and so go to here. Go to here. Just paste it. Now see here. Welcome to S3 class. I hope you got it right. So where you need to enable, so this is the mandatory. This is the mandatory. So we enable, right, permissions. We need to enable public access. Otherwise we cannot access. So this is the we need to do. After adding also we can do. Just try check it somewhere. That option is available. Okay. So this is the now got it right. So now try anyone your mission whether we are able to I given public, right. Public means anyone can access. So in old ways, wherever you want, we can access. I am sending this URL chat box in call message. Just try your side whether you are able to see that message or not.
Yeah, yes, yes, it's
You are
visible.
accessing, right?
Yeah,
So this is the so you want if you want to do that and all, we need to do that one. Now what you need to do? So go to here, whatever you want. So go to where is bucket name S3, go to bucket name, click on so bucket and click on add, upload file, add file and whatever you want. So for example, I am uploading this one and uploading. So here this is a mandatory. So this is the destination path. Right now my file is available here and this is the properties. So by default we'll see, right. This is also very very important. Here also they are asking. So click on permissions, grant public access. Okay. So enable this one. So we need to grant public access and we need to understand this one tick mark. Now there is see here specify storage class. So encryption settings, tags and more. So by default, now I am selecting grant public access, upload. Okay. Now go to here, buckets, public buckets. Now if you observe here, so this is the document, this is the text type. Now this is 25 KB and this is the 54 KB. So what is the default storage class here? What is the storage class name?
Standard.
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 Interview also many people they asked, you uploaded any file, you uploaded anything, okay, what is the storage classes? So actually in S3 there is a different types of storage classes available. Default store, if you are not mentioning anything, if you are not selected anything, default storage class name is standard only. Default storage class name is standard only. Now if you go here, S3 storage class types, storage classes. So if we click on S3 storage class, so these are the different types. These are the different types. So see here S3 standard and S3 intelligent tiering and S3 express one zone standard IA infrequent access. So one zone IA. So this is the infrequent access. Now these are the types, guys. Interview also most of the people they ask this question. So what is the default standard and what are the types, storage class types, S3 storage class types? Please no make it, many people asking this question. Okay, storage types. Now we understand. See, Amazon S3 offers a range of storage class they can choose. See, S3 storage class include S3 storage class are ideal. There is first standard, right? See here S3 standard for frequently accessed data. So by default, so if you are not selected anything, S3 standard. So S3 is common for all storage class, standard for frequently accessed data. So frequently, if you want to, my file is accessing frequently, right? By default, it is assigning so standard only. Standard for frequently accessed data. And S3 express one zone for your most frequently accessed data. If you want to change, we can change it. And S3 standard infrequent access. Suppose I don't want to access frequently, so that case we can use a standard infrequent IA. IA means infrequent access. Now see here and so one zone, this is also one zone, see, less frequently accessed data. And so S3 glacier in retrieval, so this is the archive data that needs so immediate access, and this is based on a requirement, we can select anything, we can select anything, but we need to remember these names, at least 4 5 names. So most of the people they are asking, so can you so tell me that is S3 storage class types. Storage class types. See here standard, standard IA and one zone IA and glacier express one zone and so intelligent detail. Just remember at least 3 4. No need to explain all these things also. At least if you remember all these things, that is okay, no problem, good. So at least if anyone is asking, so at least remember at least 3 4. Okay, what is the default one? Standard only. What is the default one? Standard only. Now come to here, where is that default one? Standard only, where I created, where is that, this one, right? So if you click on here, see here this is the standard. Now I'm going to upload one more file. So now see here, so whatever file you want, so click on add file, click on add file, I'm going to select one. And so now if you go to here, so now this one, permissions, what is the permissions, if you want to allow so public or private, or if you want to specify specific only with type of access. Now see here, only if you want to provide read and write access. Now object owner, I give an ACL read and write full permission, right? Now got it, read and write. Now so everyone can read the data, so everyone can read the data. So if you want to only public access read and they don't want and access level only read, whatever you want, authentication group, so now this and all this is your wish, whatever you want we can enable. So now see here, this is the default one. These are the default one. So I am the owner, your AWS account, and so object is read type, and everyone can read it, and I can update. I can so right, modify anything whatever I need, whatever I need. So read access as well as write access. Now see here. Now see everyone. For everyone, which access by default? See here. If you want to, by default, this is read and so public access group. How we can provide and so authenticated users group also. So that case, so we can enable and disable. Now, if you want to add any, if you want to no other AWS account associate this resource. Suppose my file need to uh, give access to other AWS account group also, other AWS group account also. That case, so this is a we need to grant ID, what type of that and all we can see access for other AWS account. So other AWS account we need to enter the so that as a canonical ID name that is account ID and we need to give permissions and all. So these all are the options. If you want to, we can add enable. So default everyone can so see here for owner I have read and also access control also read write and if you don't if you want to we can enable and we can enable. Now if you go properties, now see here these are the storage class. Specify the storage class, encryption settings, tags and more whatever you want. So now we can here itself we can understand what is default frequently accessed data more than one a month with millions milliseconds we can access. This is the general purpose. This is the general purpose. Availability zones greater than 3. What is this means? Availability zones, it will support greater than or equal to 3 means maths. Now see here. Now this is the whatever you want. Now default one. Suppose if you want to data with changing or unknown access pattern. So this is the default one standard. Now standard IA. Now see here infrequently accessed data once a month. I am not going to access my file every day. I am not going to access my file every day. I am going to access this file so at least month, once a month, infrequent. Now see here, we can see some options, 30 days. And see here how many days, 30 days. Now based on we can select whatever you want. Now see here, now access control. And so if you want to encryption, we can encrypt and whatever you want, we can do additional I don't want anything, I am not going to add anything, just upload it. Now go to here, click on S3, I mean S3 only, right? Buckets. And what is my bucket name? DevOps class 1. And see here, now see here, this is the what is this? See, standard IA. So standard IA means so every month only one time we can infrequent access. Standard IA means infrequent. So whatever you want, we can select. This is standard IA, standard. So infrequent access, infrequent access. So how many within? So for month 30 days. If you want to, we can select that one. Now understand, right? So like this. So every object so we can give some storage class type also we can give some but these all are very, very important. Most of the people they are asking can you what are the S3 storage class types. Now standard and standard means frequently accessed data and so express one zone and most frequently accessed data and standard infrequent access and so this is 30 days, right? Infrequent access means 30 days so for a month and so one zone infrequent access less frequently accessed data and whatever you want so RQ data if you want to immediate access and all not RQ and flexible retrieval rarely access long term data that does not have require immediate access so that and all we can change it and this is also whatever you want we can based on your requirement we can change any storage class any storage class. I hope you got it, guys. Now see here, here itself, what is the buckets and DevOps files. Now see here, where I uploaded here only, right? DevOps files class. I upload one more file. I uploaded or not yet? Which where it is buckets DevOps files here. Okay, so this is not refreshed. Okay, leave that one. Now that one. Now see here. So now see here one. So one is we can see standard IA, and so if we click on here, if we click on here, and so here also if you want to we can change. If you want to we can storage class. Now see here. So now if you want to we can change this. If you want to we can change it. So bucket name storage class. Arsenal check and all metadata. Now if you want to change, now see here, click on edit option. Now again it will come. So now 30 days only, right? So 30 days only, right? So 30 days only, right? Standard IA infrequently access data. No, 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 I don't want to ask. Glacier instant retrieval. So long lived archive data accessed once a quarter with the instance. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Now see here. So that 90 days. Now this is the 180 days. See here, glacier deep. See long lived archive data accessed less than once a year with retrieval of hour. So if you want to, we can change whatever you want. So change, and so just save change it. Now this file, see here, go to here, click on here, and so files. Now here see here glacier. So it is changed. Now this is based on your usage. We are going to change it. Based on your usage, you can change it. So this is very very important. Interview many people they are asking. So this is can you explain store S3 storage classes? What is the default storage class name? Default storage class name is which one? Default storage class
Standard,
name is
S3
standard.
standard.
And based on your usage, you want to only 30 days, or you want to access only 90 days, or 180 days, and frequently or infrequently, and how, what is the usage of your file, and based on this we need to change this one. We need to change this one. Clear, guys? Very very important. Many people they are asking, can you explain this? Is just remember at least three four standard IA. IA means infrequent access, and so one zone infrequent access, and everything. So in this para, this is the document. If you official document, AWS people providing whatever you want, just go through this any topic, not only this. So AWS people everything they are providing very clear. If you need more and whatever you want, so we can this is clear, guys. Anyone any doubt as of now?
Yeah, how many is there?
This
Nine,
only.
I think.
Mm.
Nine types, na? Nine or 10?
9 are here also we can here one
Yeah.
two three four five. Earlier there is 7 only, now they added extra also.
Okay.
1 hour back there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Nine,
But
okay.
mostly we are using standard. Based on your requirement we need to change it. These are simple standard
There
IA
are
easily
names
we can
also.
remember. And express one zone and one zone IA we can easily remember. Remaining, so we need to remember that is glacier instance retrieval, flexible retrieval. How it will work means so everything. So all this para is enough. Whatever you understand, right? Everything they one line noted. Less frequently accessed, and glacier instance retrieval. So data that needs immediate access, and flexible retrieval, rarely access long term data. So this and all just you can remember something. Mostly first three four just remember at least a minimum four. This is also remembering is easy. I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Now try this one. Now very important one. Now real time. So for example this is my file, right? Same file I can upload multiple times, right? For example if you observe here, so DevOps class.txt. Today I uploaded. See here 7:14 I uploaded. Maybe same file next day also maybe I can upload, right? Correct. Some I do some modification. అర్థమవుతుందా? So now I
Yes.
uploaded a
Yeah.
7:14. Now I'm going to upload same file. How it will work? See here, click on upload, click on upload, add file. So what is the file name?
DevOps
Desktop
class.
DevOps class, right? I'm going to upload same file. For example, so today you modified Srinath modified file I uploaded. Maybe next time I'm going to modify the same file, and so I am uploading same file. Now how it will work? See here, upload. Now if we click on here, now see here, earlier it is 7:15 something 12, right? Now see here, 7:31 recent date and time. So what about my changes? What about my changes? అర్థమవుతుందా? So is there any versioning here? Who modified this
No.
file? When they
No.
modified? When they uploaded? No, right? So for this, so there is one more concept. So AWS, that S3 bucket, they are providing versioning concept. Now this is very very important. So how it will work means, now see here. So that's so. So now versioning means, so maybe same file in real time, many people they are modifying. Same file as in real time, many people they are modifying. So many people they are modifying. Now, so there is a AWS, the S3 service, they are providing one more concept. So that is versioning. So while creating, that is, as of now I didn't enable, right? Now I'm going to enable that one. So that is the version. Version. So version is like, right? How we can say version means, for example, I uploaded one file, same file you also uploaded. Like backup, I want to see only my changes. Up to that changes I need to that file. For example, he uploaded same file, but he want to also download their changes. So like, it is like, right? So our same backup file. Simply if I want to say, like this is backup
Easily we can track all the things.
information. Simply if you want a history, correct? History. Who modified, when modified. So for every time it is giving some versioning number, and based on this, so we can easily identify. So by default, the version is not enabled. Now as of now, if you see here, version is enabled or not. So this is my file, right? So DevOps file, and so here, so there is no versioning. By default it is disabled only. By default versioning is not enabled. So if you want to, we can enable. Default versioning is disabled only. So versioning is disabled only, not enable. If you want to, what we need to do? If you want to, we can enable. Enable for your particular bucket, for your bucket name, whatever you want. So we can enable that particular bucket name. So now the version ID, version is unique, or for example we are sending amount, right? We are debiting, we are creating, we are getting one transaction ID. That is duplicate, or that is unique? Anyone?
Unique. Unique.
Unique only, right? Or,
Yeah.
otherwise, how we can track it? For example, you send amount to someone, you are getting one transaction ID. I am also sending amount to other people. I am also getting transaction ID. If both are same means, how can you track it? For example, you are also Indian bank account. I am also Indian bank account. I send amount to other people. You also send amount to other people. But both are, if we get same transaction ID means, how can you they track it? No, right? That is difficult, right? That is no use. So now here also version ID is always in queue only. Here also always in queue only. Now got it? Clear?
Yes.
Now if you want to, we can download remaining stories same only. For example, versioning files also anytime if you want to, we can download. So version files also we can download. We can download anytime. But we need to give access, otherwise we cannot download. Now suppose, so if you delete, for example, if I delete any file, is there any, right? So restore option here, as of now you are understanding. For
No.
example, if I delete any file, no, right? So if you delete original file, or if you delete any, right, version file, so latest version here, mostly there is no restore option. And how it will work and all, we'll see. And deleted option also we cannot download. These are all the basic deleted files we cannot download again. Deleted files and all we cannot download so again and all. And if you want to download, if you want to upload any file, what is the maximum size of this file? Maximum size, file size. One or two people they asked maximum file size. Anyone? So minimum. So min. So minimum. What is the object size? Zero, right? If you are not have
Zero.
anything, 0 byte. That is common. Maximum file size.
5 TB.
Mm. Maximum file size 5 TB.
5 TB.
5 TB. T means terabyte. You know, right? Megabyte, MB, megabyte, terabyte, gigabyte, that and all. Now clear? So just remember, so one or two people they asked also. So maximum, how much, what is the file size? We can upload so 5 TB. So 5 TB. Now I'm going to here. Now I'm going to here. Now go to here. So create one bucket. Now see here, bucket name. So DevOps bucket. Just I'm giving name. And so this and all, whatever you want, you can. There is one more option. See here, one more option. What is this? Bucket versioning. By default, it is disabled. If you want to, what we need to do? If you want to, we can enable. Now I'm going to enable the bucket name. See here, versioning is a meaning of keeping multiple variants of your object, same bucket. You can use versioning to preserve, retrieve, or restore every version of your every object stored in our AWS S3 bucket. Now how it will work means so we can see. Now just I enable, and apart from this I don't want to do anything. Just create the bucket. What happens? Bucket names most of keep. Okay. Now 112 I given. So enq name, right? That is global, right? Enq name. Bucket is created. Bucket is created. So what is my bucket name? What is my bucket name? This is the DevOps bucket 123. Now see here, this is the same only. When you created and I'll click on the bucket. Now I'm going to update. Now see here, there is one more option we can see. Show versions. Now if you go other buckets, if you go other buckets, so this bucket, do we have enable versioning? No, right?
No.
Can you see that option here?
No.
No. So now if you go here, now for this bucket I enable for this bucket. So DevOps bucket 12112, I enable the versioning. Now you can see one more option, show versions. So if you enable only, so this option is visible. Otherwise we can't see. Now got it? Otherwise we can't see. Okay. Now remaining story same only. Upload file. Now add file. Now I'm using so DevOps class. Now see here, DevOps class. So if you want to give public access and all this and all same only permissions. If you enable, right? So now see here, storage and all we can see, but permissions also see here limited. See, so the bucket has a bucket owner settings applied for the object ownership, and use bucket policies to control the access. We need to modify something. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to change anything. Click on update. Now here mostly we need to write versioning, right? Now check it. Click on here, bucket. Now 123. Now see here. This is my file, actual file. When I uploaded, see here, 7:40 39 seconds. Now got it. So now, so this is the file. This is the file. Now try it whether we are able to storage class. I think it won't access, right? We need to give public access. Now it is error, right? Because we that is now as of now it is private only. Now go to here. Now I am going to upload the same file again. I am going to upload the same file again. Now how it will work? Just assume. Click on upload. Click on upload and add file. Before that, I am going to modify something. Other there is no use, right? Where is that file? DevApps. So this is a file, and just assume I modified file. Save it, or else there is no use, right? Now I modified. Go to here. Come to here. Add file. Add file. And so now where is that file? DevApps class. Okay. Now permissions. Bucket owner force not updated. ACL enable and understand. Okay. Save changes. Now go to here. Bucket policies. Not this. One step is missing somewhere. Where is that? Okay, we'll see that one. Okay. Upload file. Add file. Same file I'm going to upload. DevApps. Now permissions. Uh, Now see here. I'm going to made public. Okay. Check this one. Upload the file. Okay. Now click on this. Now see here. As of now, we can. This is a 743, right? Now I'm going to update same file again. That is your wish. We need to change that changes. That's it. Where is that file? Right click, open, notepad, updated. Just save it. Now go to here. Now DevOps class, right? Upload, add file, same file, DevOps class. Now, so for this also I'm giving public access. Okay. Now upload file. That's it. Now, as of now, we can see here 56. Now I'm going to enable this versioning. Now click on enable. Now you can see. So this is the first I uploaded 74039. You modified or you uploaded the file. So later someone is modified and they uploaded 743 743 4 seconds 04 seconds, and the same file they uploaded 743 56 seconds. Now can you see here last modified time?
Yes, sir. Visible,
Okay,
sir.
last modified time, check it. Now I'm clicking this anyway. This file I think we cannot access because I didn't enable, right? Public access and all. This file we can't see. Anyway, error.
No, no,
Now
just a minute. We can see select that object. Once again, go back one step back.
this one,
No, no, one step back. Select that item. Select that
this one.
item.
Okay,
No, not that one. Enter, enter.
The
Which one?
previous file,
Select
sir.
that.
Yes.
this one.
There, go to actions. Go to actions.
Select. Where is
There up.
action? Okay,
There up.
action.
No, drop down. Last one option is there.
Make
Make public.
public. Okay, okay. So now when you select, now
That's all.
specified
Make public.
object. Okay, make public.
Uh,
Now go to here. Oh, first go to here, object. Click on versioning enable. Now first one, right? Now click on this. Copy this URL and go to here. Now only one line, right? So this is the initial I uploaded file, correct? So initial means only one line is there. Now go to here, same. Now enable. Now I am going to click on this. Anyway, this for this I enable public. Click on this, copy this. Anyone guess it? Same content or different content will get it?
Different.
Different.
Now got it? Real time how they are maintaining, because same file multiple people they are modifying and multiple people they are uploading, right? But if you are getting only version means, for example, Srinath, they want only first in the first version. They don't want latest changes. Whatever he changed, he want only that file. For example, if I come to here, where is this third one, right? So now see here, actually I need my changes. I don't want your changes. Whatever I changed, latest changes I need. Click on this and not this one. That's this one and enable versioning. So lastly I modified, right, date and time when we modified and all. So now click on this. Now copy this and paste it here. Now we can see my latest changes. Now understand, right, how it is working.
Here, file name should be same, na?
File name should be same only.
Same,
But what
yeah.
is the concept here?
Only
Versioning,
versioning the
versioning,
same
same
file when
file.
we are, yeah, when
Mm,
we are.
They follow the time stamping orders.
timestamp and multiple.
Srinath garu, just like a Git repository.
అదే
Mm,
అదే అండి. ఫైల్ నేమ్
same.
ఓన్లీ సేమ్ ఉంటేనే మనకు వర్షనింగ్
Correct,
అనేది
correct.
ఇది ఉంటుంది.
Mm.
ఓకే.
So it is not was. For example, if you are if you didn't enable the versioning, what is the problem? You know, right?
ఎస్. యా.
Which is the latest changes? That changes only we are getting. Now try that one. So already few buckets. Which one I enable versioning? With enable public access one file, right? DevApps. Now check it this one. Now copy this. I don't know we enable or not. Just check it. We don't know. Now see here, I'm going to create one more bucket. Here, what is the problem? We can understand. Create, okay, without version. Okay. Now I'm not going to enable, but anyway, I am enable. So this and all, and I selected, and I am not enable. The disable default only. Default only. Create bucket. What happened?
Bucket name
Yeah,
existence.
this one also using people. Okay. Now create bucket. Now I'm going to create one new file. Now what is happening, see here, and so this is for example I will giving so DevOps, just I give only one line, and desktop courc course.txt, only one line added. Now I'm going to upload this file only. Now I am in which bucket? So without versioning, click on this, upload file, add file, add file, course.txt, open. Now I am not enable anything, just go to permissions. I am giving grant access. Now check it. Just assume I created the file. I don't want this and all. I understand this one. Okay. Now save it. Upload file. Now here anyone any doubt? So this is a file, right? Click on this file and copy this object URL and go to here. Okay. I modified. Just assume this is the initial. I created the file. I added some content and everyone can see. So again, you modified. Now Srinath modified same file. Srinath modified same file. There is edit, right click, notepad. Now you modified. Okay. Just I given something. Now you also uploaded your file. Now understand. You also uploaded your file. Now go to here, versioning. You are going to upload same file. You downloaded and you are going to upload same file. So this is a course. Now if I click this link, which content I am getting? Refresh. If I click on
Old
refresh,
contents.
old and new, what happens?
New contents.
Wait, something gone. Where is this? Make as public. Okay, make public. Okay. Now click on this. Now click on this. Copy. Just I am paste it. Now see here, you modified, you uploaded same file, but after 1 week or after 2 3 days, I don't want your change. I want only my changes. అర్థమైంది శ్రీనాథ్ గారు. You also modified, you uploaded same file. Now we can see two files, only one file. Now see here, only one file or two file? Okay, fine, only one file, right? Next day Shivashankar also modified same file. And what about my data? I don't want these changes, this guy changes. I want only my changes. How can I get it here? అర్థమైందా? Anyone, any doubt here? Now if we enable versioning means for every upload, it is maintaining one versioning, right? Now based on that changes, we can download that particular file. We can download that particular file. Clear, Sinath?
Clear,
Yes,
and
Clear.
sir.
So now here there is no versioning. I don't want your changes. Actually you modified. Maybe next day someone is modified. They are also uploading same file. But I don't want your change. I want only my changes. Particular day and time I know when I uploaded my file. I want to see only that content. I don't want your content. Now in this case, if you are not enable versioning means which is the latest we uploaded, only that content and all we can see. We can see old also. But again we are seeing updated, right? That other people they modified, other people they added some data and all. We can see that data also. Why I need this and all? I don't want this and all. Now in this case, now if you go here, my bucket. If you go here, uh, which one? What is enable, right? Era. Now see here in this case, I know. So this is maybe this is your changes. This is Shivasankar changes. This is my changes. I don't want your changes data. I want to see only my data. Now see here what my data. So click on this. I can see that one only. I can see that one only. Now you know, right? What is difference between enable without enabling version? Clear?
yeah.
Okay. So that is so this is the very important. So in real time, mostly we are maintaining versioning. So versioning means you are not only one guy in project. Multiple people working parallelly. All are they are updating same. For example, TRS document, any one document project. For example, release document. Or for example right that deployment so versions something some common documents many people updating parallelly. So that case if there is no versioning means this is very difficult to handle. Who modified when for example release means so every 2 weeks or every 1 week we are going to update, we are giving some which user stories, what are the user stories, list we are going to add list of user stories, list of user stories. Stories means this week which stories I am going to deploy. And next for example just assume now 28, right? Now if you go here 14 14 deployment, 14 date 14 we deployed some user stories. I need to update some user stories list of user stories. Now again I'm going to uh, STORIS stories. Now this Friday also I'm going to deploy some user stories 28. Okay, so 28 also I'm going to deploy some user stories. Suppose if you are not enabling versioning and if I update means so now my manager they want only up to this previous sprint list of user stories what they deployed. How we can track it? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఈ డేట్లో నేనేం చేశాను, కొన్ని యూజర్ స్టోరీస్ లిస్ట్ యాడ్ చేశాను, ఏ యూజర్ స్టోరీని డిప్లాయ్ చేశాను సర్వర్లో. సో ప్రీవియస్ ఆల్సో ఐ డిప్లాయిడ్ ఐ గివన్ సమ్ యూజర్ స్టోరీస్ లిస్ట్. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో యాడెడ్ సమ్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ just for your understanding purpose I am giving list of user stories. Now manager want only up to this data, they don't want this two latest. Clear? Now, if you don't have versioning, if I download this file, up to this we are getting entire data, right? Clear? Now
Yes.
every 2 weeks I am going to update same file. Now there we can see history. Now here we can see history when they modified. So that and all we can see here, right? So if you enable this one, here we can see that release date time when you modified. So I don't want latest up to that list. I want only previous print list. That's it. So just I am giving this link and they can download. They can see up to this print list only. They don't want latest. I hope you understand, right? Now based on the date and time, we can get up to that only. I don't want all changes. For example, they want only up to March. They want up to March. March means, so mostly we are updating same file only. Every release, I am not going to create separate file. Same file only I am going to update. Now that history and all, we can easily maintain track versioning. We are maintaining versioning here. Now whenever if you need, I don't want this latest, I want means I will go to that particular date. Anyway here where it is showing, right, last modified date and time, last modified date and time. If you want only this up to this, click on this file. No, I want up to this, I am click on this version. I want up to latest, I want click on this one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So like this we are following. So that is the reason real time 100% we are enabling versioning. If there is no versioning means that is very difficult tracking and all. Okay, so this and all no need to worry. So AWS people they are taking care and the data and all, and only we need to do enable the versioning. That's it. Enable the version. If there is if you not enable by default, this is disable, and so if you need, we need enable. So enable means so now we can see. Clear? Okay. So this is very important. So how it will work means just create one file, create one bucket, upload one file, and so before creating, so enable the versioning and modify multiple times, upload and try to see how it is working. This files and all versioning, we can easily understand. Okay, clear guys? I hope you got some idea, right? Why you go for enable version, how to track. But real time, every file we are enable versioning only. We are tracking multiple people work modifying same file. If there is no versioning, this is very difficult to track, and so if anyone modify means we can easily track it. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so next class we'll see so how delete will work and how to update and all. Okay.